students, I am your social science teacher Jyoti Duhar. Today we will start our geography chapter 2, physical feature of India. Okay. First of all, we will understand the meaning of physical feature. Okay. And in this part, we just study only the physical feature of India. What is the meaning of physical feature? Physical feature means naturally created features. Naturally created features. And in this part, we just only studied the physical feature. And physical feature is a study of pattern and process of any landforms. Physical feature is a study of pattern and process of any landforms. You see that there is a different kind of landforms on the earth. There is a different kind of landforms terrain on the earth because this process carry loads of agents. This process carry load of agents. Some landforms formed by the glaciers. Some landforms are created by the river. Some landforms are the result of the coastal line area, sea waves through they are formed. Some landforms are the result of the air. Okay, you see that there are different kind of landforms on the earth. When you move in the northern plain, you find out there is a mountains area, hilly areas. When you come to the Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, there is a plain area. This area is very suitable to movement here and there, but in hilly area we have to face lot of problems. And there is a desert. You see that there are different kind of landforms, and these landforms carry different type of agents. I hope you understood this meaning. Physical feature means naturally created features. There is a no contribution of human being. There is a no contribution of human being. This is known as physical feature of India. Next, physical feature, physiographical division. Okay. In India, there are different kind of physical feature, and these physical features are categorized in 6 categories. First of all, there are 6 type of physical feature found in India. How many type of physical feature found in India? There are 6 type of physical feature found in India. First is Himalaya. Second is northern plain. Third is plateau. Fourth is coastal plains. Fifth is desert, and sixth is island, Andaman, Nicobar and Lakshadweep Island. Let's recall once more again. First is Himalaya, second is northern plain, third is plateau, and fourth is coastal plains, fifth is desert, and sixth is island. It is an important GK question for you, that for your MCQ filling the blanks, that how many physical feature of India we found. There are 6 type of physical feature. First of all, we will study about the Himalaya. First of all, we will read about the Himalaya. Where is Himalaya located? Where is Himalaya located? Himalaya is located in the northern India. Himalaya is located in the northern India. And this is the youth folded mountain. In 6th class, you studied about the different kind of mountains. You know that fault mountains and volcanic mountains. Himalaya mountain is a fault youth mountain. This is the what is here. There is a Tathisi we will study in next video. And Himalaya is further divided according to the height. We divide Himalaya in 3 ranges. First is Himadri, upper northern part, ठीक है, Himadri. Second is Himachal, and third is Shivalik. How many ranges of Himalayas? There are 3 ranges of Himalayas. First is Himadri, second is Himachal, third is Shivalik. Okay. And these ranges is divided on the basis of height. Shivalik is known as foothills also. This is middle Himalaya, this is upper Himalaya. This is the 3 ranges of Himalayas. Okay. Next, we will study in this chapter northern plains. Plains, flat land. Plain means flat lands. And here is northern plain. North, it means it is located in north part of India. Northern plain. And this plain is the result of three rivers. First is Brahmaputra, which is formed by the Brahmaputra river. Second is Punjab plain. Punjab plain is the result of Sindhu, Satluj, Jhelum, Chenab rivers. This is the result of Sindhu river, Satluj river, Jhelum river, Ravi river. This is known as Punjab. Punjab means 5 rivers meet here. Ganga plain. As you know that Ganga is the holy river of India. As you know that Ganga is a holy river, and this is the most important part of our Indian physical feature, Ganga plain, because this is the most fertile area of our India, and this is the most favorable part where people want to live, where people want to establish their industries, they want to live there. This is known as the Ganga plains. You understood there are northern plains. These northern plains is further divided into 3 parts. Brahmaputra plains is formed by the Brahmaputra river. Brahmaputra river is formed by the Brahmaputra rivers. Punjab, which is formed by the 5 rivers, Sindhu, Satluj, Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum, and Ganga plains is formed by the Ganga, Yamuna and their tributaries. Okay. Third is plateau. What is the meaning of plateau? Plateau is a platform hills. Plateau is a platform hill. Okay. प्लेटू को यहाँ पर इंडिया में 2 टाइप कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया गया, सेंट्रल प्लेटू एंड डेक्कन प्लेटू. प्लेटू इम्पोर्टेंट है हमारे लिए क्योंकि ये जो इंडिया का प्लेटू है ये वॉल्केनिक एक्टिविटीज के थ्रू बना है, और वॉल्केनिक एक्टिविटीज के थ्रू बनने के कारण यहाँ पर क्या देयर आर लोड्स ऑफ मिनरल्स वी फाइंड फॉर आवर इंडस्ट्रीज. This is the important part of our India because there in this part there are lots of mines from where we extract minerals for the development of country. And this plateau is further divided into 2 parts. These are the central plateau and Deccan plateau. I hope you understood this third part of the major physiographic. And fourth is coastal plains. Coastal means this part. This part is known as coastal plains. This part is known as western, and this part is known as eastern plains. Eastern coastal plains. Because यहाँ पर क्या है, हमारे अरेबियन से और बे ऑफ बंगाल की रिजल्ट से यहाँ पर क्या बन गया, कोस्टल लाइंस बन गई हैं. That's why we categorize in the 4th part. This is known as coastal plain area. This part also fertile area for the rice, okay, and different type of crops. And this further divided into western coast and eastern coast. I hope you understood all the 4 physical features of India. Next is desert. Where is desert in India? Desert is in India in Rajasthan. And in India, desert is known as Thar Desert. What is the name of our desert? Thar Desert. Okay. Desert. बेटा इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट ये है कि डेजर्ट हमारे 2 टाइप्स के होते हैं, कोल्ड डेजर्ट और हॉट डेजर्ट होते हैं. कोल्ड डेजर्ट लद्दाख, ठीक है, और डेजर्ट हम किस पार्ट को कहते हैं, जहाँ पर जो मिनिमम रेनफॉल होती है वो 25 mm से कम होती है. एनुअल जो रेनफॉल होती है वो 25 mm से कम होती है. इसलिए उनको क्या बोला जाता है, डेजर्ट बोला जाता है। और यहाँ पर हम सिर्फ थार डेजर्ट की रिगार्डिंग स्टडी करेंगे, बिकॉज क्या है कि जो कोल्ड डेजर्ट है वो हम इस पार्ट में, जो हिमालय का नॉर्दर्न पार्ट से, इसमें स्टडी कर लेंगे, क्योंकि लद्दाख कहाँ पर आता है, हमारे हिमालय रेंजेस में आता है। ओके, इन दिस पार्ट वी स्टडीड अबाउट द राजस्थान। नेक्स्ट इज इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आइलैंड। What is the meaning of island? Island is a landform which is covered four sides of water. This is known as island. There are two islands in India. Andaman Nicobar. Where is Andaman Nicobar? Andaman Nicobar in Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep. And Lakshadweep is located in the Arabian Sea. And this was also the question in your pre-med exam, where is Lakshadweep, or what island is located in the Arabian Sea? The answer was Lakshadweep. Okay, I hope you understood all the 6 major division. First, we studied physical feature, naturally created features. Okay, next we studied about the major physiographic division. Next we studied about there are 6 type of physical feature: Himalaya, northern plains, plateau, coastal plain, desert, island. These are the 6 important points. Next we studied about the Himalayas. It is categorized into 3 ranges: Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. Next we studied about the northern plains: Brahmaputra, Punjab and Ganga. Plateau is a platform landforms. These are further divided into central and Deccan plateau, and next is coastal plains, western and eastern, desert, Thar desert. Next is island, Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep Island. I hope you understood all the 6 physical features of India. In next part we will detail studied all the physical features. Thank you and have a nice day. Take care.